Sam from Samuel B12. We are just checked in to the Contemporary Garden Suite. Let's do a little tour. All right, our first stop is in L bathroom. Fancy, nice big shower, the throne. Everything is Incredibles, which is just incredible. Say hi, Dee.
Hi.
We got a little closet here. Ooh, fancy. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, that's so cool. The suits are hanging in there. You can go take a look. Got some more storage space here. Safe. Coffee maker. Little bar fridge. And then here we go. What's up, Jacob?
I'm hurting.
Here we go. We got the Frozone bed. We got the other bed. And fancy, they got the USBs in the walls now, which is pretty awesome. So very cool. The Incredibles shades. So this is it. This is our little seating area. Little lamp. And here we go. For one night and one night only, this is our little Garden Inn suite. We got a nice view from the back side of the Contempo. And more videos to come.